Hi CSE takers, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. The question is, what part of 400 is 50? Okay, so as we analyze the given problem, isa sa mga given dito ay yung base saka yung percentage. So yung base natin dito guys ay, very good, 400. And another given which is percentage, that is equal to 50. And then, we need to look for R o yung rate natin. So, ano yan? Missing. Don't forget our formula which is percentage is equal to base times rate. Or P is equal to BR. Huwag kakalimutan yan. So, dito sa formula natin, pwede tayong mag-equate or mag-generate ng another formula pa. Since R yung nawawala, pwede tayong mag-derive. Okay, that's the term, no? So, since we need to look for R, divide all terms by B. So, we cancel B. Ayan. So, ang formula natin dito, guys, ay R is equal to P over B. As what I have mentioned earlier, R yung hinahanap natin dito guys, yung rate. Okay. So, we need to substitute in the new formula. So, R is equal to P over B. Ayan. So, yung percentage natin dito, which is 50, plug in lang to guys. So, 50 over, yung base natin ay 400. Okay, so 50 over 400, i-simplify natin to. This is equal to, pwede tayo mag-cancel out since hindi na ma-allowed yung calculator. So, 5 over 40 yan. And, of course, 5 over 40 is still simplifiable. Divisible by 5 pa rin, right? So, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. So, 1 over 8. So, which is option letter C. Okay, so that's the answer. So, what if, my question is, paano natin malalaman kung tama yung sagot natin? So, by simply multiply 1 over 8 times 400. So, tignan natin. Dapat mapalabas natin ay 50. So, 1 times 400. Okay, very good. 400 yan. Divided by 8. Okay? Copy nyo lang yon. So, 400 divided by 8, that is equal to 50. Very good. So, bumalik tayo rito sa original natin na problem. So, ganun lang kasimple. This is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.